Hello everyone and welcome back to this basic HTML course. In this course, we are gonna learn basic HTML and build something with HTML, right? Before starting with web, it's just not about coding websites and writing HTML, CSS, JavaScript or anything. It always good practice to start with how the web works, understanding how basically the web works, where like actually HTML comes in. We'll be installing various tools in this course, then we'll be seeing the role of HTML, where actually HTML fits in on the web, right? Then we'll be diving into some basic of HTML, like what is HTML, how paragraphs and heading works. We'll be installing VS Code extension to make our tasks easier, like library loading thing, all right. Then we'll be looking into fundamentals of HTML, that will be diving into various topics like links and span and divs and very much more. We'll be looking into forms, how forms are created, how these are placed into login page or sign up page, and how things like selectors, things like date selector, things like email selector, things like input of password works. Then we will look into list. There are various kind of list we are looking to, another list, ordered list, and how tables are created. In fact, like tables are very useful information whenever required, like for analysis or displaying results. Table are always preferred, right? So we'll be looking to tables. We'll be also deep dive into a basic of semantic HTML. What is semantic HTML and how to semantic display? So we'll be looking to a small assignment to it, and we have also covered various assignment to learn this part and practice this part as well. So it's super pumped up, and at last we will concluding course and what is the next thing you can do. So it is super pumped up. There are always scope to learn and various advanced topic like videos, audios in the HTML as well. So let's start with this amazing journey of wave, starting with HTML. So the next thing you can do is to subscribe to my channel to be updated with the latest content, as well as like video you like or comment any doubts you have. Apart from that, every various website link will be linked in the description so that you can visit and read about them anytime, right? It is always better to read about them in the blogs or any website like W3 School and MDN. Apart from that, I will be linking to the code files of this particular series to my GitHub page, where you can see the code files for any later reference. So let's start and follow along this course.